I'ma be real honest. And I got some real problems. I just do what I feel, I don't deal with no logic. I need to chill, I really need to chill. I need to stop it now. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to be about my money, cause that baby gotta eat when she get hungry. And anything my family need, they get it from me. So when shit get ugly, I can't stop.